Okay, I'm with this 2003 Chevy Cavalier, and one of the codes it has is the P0502, the vehicle speed sensors circuit. So I'm going to be replacing the output speed sensor. So, okay, looking at the sensor wires up close, you can see that the wires are cut there. This is on the transmission on the passenger side. The transmission, I can show you what it looks like from the top, but those wires there are going to have to be replaced. So I'm going to need to get the what you call the pigtail for the output speed sensor. Again, looking at the engine, go down on the right hand side. See if I can point it out. This right here, that's your speed sensor right there. So I'll be replacing the wires on that, and that'll restore the vehicle where it drives in low gear all the time, and it doesn't shift properly. That's what the symptoms are, and that's the problem with it. Here's what it removed, the pigtail removed. So these wires have to be replaced here. Just two wires. And the vehicle should be back and running. Here's the new wire connector. I wound up having to get it from the junkyard. So all I have to do is splice this in and make my connections. Okay, there's the connections. I used wire nuts on this one, but it should work fine. And I'm gonna use some zip ties and tie the wire up to this hole right here, and this should correct the problem of the vehicle speed sensor function.